Hey, we're on another hiking adventure today. It's beginning of May, and again, the weather is really nice. We are out, whole family's along. We're gonna go on a really quick hike. Join us, because this is what we're up to.
Before we even got started, Anne spotted a little snake in the creek next to the trail. We also saw another one that's camouflaged in the roots there. If you see where the stick is moving, you can kind of make it out. We got as close as we could to check them out. They were really cool. We even tried to get some video, but unfortunately the microphones weren't quite working right. So even though it looks really good, you can't hear it. Anyways, onto the trail.
We started our lunch break. I had cheese, crackers, and turkey. And I'm drinking with it some Gatorade. It's really good. It's really fun, but don't go up the hill too fast. It will really tire your legs out. And don't go on a day too hot like it is.
What's your name?
Samuel. I'm in 4th grade.
And what is it you like to do?
Hike and Pokemon. My perfect day is that I get to sleep all day. When I grow up, I'm going to be a scientist. It's a great hike, but don't go up the hill too fast. It really makes it unfun. And it also makes your legs tired. And the wildlife is really dense. It's really thick. It's thick in some places, and it's also thick in some. But it's sometimes, some places it's not very thick. This is what happens even when we don't give them sugar. He's already crazy.
Hey, I just want to take some time to say thanks for watching. This is what we're up to, because we like to do these things. It gives us a reason to get out, especially during this time of the year, and gives us a chance to share with you on some of the things that we are up to as a family. So we really appreciate it. If you like these kind of videos, as always, like, and then that shows that you like this kind of video. Subscribe so you can see what we're up to, more of us, and then ring the bell, click that little bell, that gives you a notification. We would really appreciate that, so we can share some of the adventures of what we're up to.
Ready.